Imagine this. You wake up one morning, check your phone, and see money in your account. Not because you won the lottery, not because someone gave you a gift, but because you used something you already had. A skill you've been doing for years without even noticing. What if I told you, right now, you already have at least 3 skills that can make you money? You don't need a fancy degree. You don't need huge investment. You don't even need to leave your home if you don't want to. You just need to see your own value, the way I see it in you right now. Why this matters. My friends, the truth is, we often underestimate ourselves. We live in a world where we scroll through other people's successes, thinking they have some special gift we don't. But here's the reality. They simply learned to see value in what they already had, and then shared it with the world. Every single one of us has simple skills, things we do without thinking, that others are willing to pay for. Cooking, speaking, writing, helping, organizing, even listening. These things might feel ordinary to you, but they are extraordinary to someone else. And today, I'm going to prove it to you. By the end of this speech, you will not only believe you have skills that can make money, you will be ready to take action and start using them. The mindset shift. Before we talk about skills, we need to talk about mindset, because money doesn't start in the bank. Money starts in the mind. Many people have the skills, but they never earn from them because they keep telling themselves, I'm not good enough. Who will pay me for this? There are so many people already doing it. Let me tell you something. People don't just pay for skills. They pay for trust. They pay for personality. They pay for connection. You may not be the only cook, but you might be the only cook who makes someone feel at home. You may not be the only storyteller, but you might be the one whose words bring comfort to a lonely heart. The first step to making money from your skills is believing they are worth something. The power of simple skills. Let's break this down. What do I mean by simple skills? These are not things you had to spend years studying for. These are things you already do naturally. Talking to people, writing messages, cooking meals, cleaning spaces, fixing small problems, taking photos, using social media, shopping, smart, making crafts, helping friends solve problems. Now, the problem is, we see these as everyday tasks, not as marketable abilities. But here's the secret. If you can do something better, faster, or with more care than most people, it's a skill someone will pay for. 10 skills you can use right now. 1. Communication skills. We talk every day. We explain things to our family. We share stories with friends. But did you know people are paid to talk? Customer service agents work from home. Call center reps earn salaries just for answering questions. Online tutors teach conversational English or other languages. Voiceover artists get paid for narrating books, ads, and videos. If you can speak clearly, you can earn. The world needs voices. Yours could be one of them. 2. Writing and storytelling. Writing isn't just about novels or news articles. In fact, businesses need people who can write social media captions, create product descriptions, send professional emails, tell brand stories. You're already writing WhatsApp messages and Facebook posts. With a little polish, those same words can pay your bills. 3. Cooking and home recipes. You might think, everyone cooks. Not true. Many people don't have time, energy, or skill to cook well. You can sell home-cooked meals in your neighborhood, offer catering for small events, teach cooking classes online, share recipes on YouTube, and monetize your channel. 4. Cleaning and organizing. Some people hate cleaning. Others can't organize to save their lives. If you're someone who feels satisfied seeing things neat and tidy, you have a valuable skill. House cleaning services are always in demand. Professional organizers get paid to arrange closets and kitchens. Businesses hire people to organize inventory. 5. Beauty and grooming. If you can do your own makeup, hair, or nails, you have something people want. Home-based salons are a booming business. You can teach beauty skills on social media. You can sell beauty products you create at home. 6. Photography with your phone. Today's phones take professional-level pictures. Sell your photos on stock sites like Shutterstock. Offer affordable photo shoots for families or small businesses. Create photo content for restaurants or shops. 7. Shopping and bargain hunting. If you have a talent for finding great deals, you can turn it into cash. Personal shopping services are in demand. Buy discounted items and resell online. Help people save money for a commission. 8. Social media use. You already use Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Manage social accounts for small businesses. Post affiliate links for products you love. Grow and sell themed accounts. 9. Crafting and DIY. If you make handmade items, people will pay for them. Sell crafts on Etsy or at local markets. Make home decor items for clients. Teach crafting classes online. 10. Helping and problem solving. You might be that person everyone calls when they need advice or solutions. Life coaching or mentoring. Tutoring in subjects you know well. Offering tech help for devices. The action plan. Knowing your skills is step 1. Step 2 is turning them into income. Here's how. Pick one skill you enjoy the most. Test it for free with friends or neighbors to get feedback. Create a simple offer. What you do, how much you charge. Use social media to spread the word. Be reliable and deliver quality. Your reputation is your biggest marketing tool. The big truth. Here's the thing, opportunities don't always knock. Sometimes you have to build the door. Your skill, whether it's speaking, cooking, writing, or crafting, is the wood for that door. When you think you have nothing, remember, you have time, you have energy, you have the ability to learn and improve. That's more than enough to start. So, my friend, here's my challenge to you. Within the next 24 hours, write down 3 skills you already have. Pick one. Find one way to offer it to someone for money. Do it once, then twice, then again. Success is not about giant leaps. It's about small, repeated steps. You already have the tools. All that's left is for you to start using them. Because the truth is, you're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience, from talent, from skills you've been building all your life, without even realizing it. And that, my friend, is your hidden treasure. Now go out there and turn it into gold.